up, online shoppers? Oh yes, I have gotten the ultimate in self-pampering. This is the Conair Bubbly Foot Spa. It's a foot pedicure spa that has massaging bubbles and it takes relaxation at home to another level. Let's open up the box and see what it looks like, and then I can't wait to get it tried. First of all, let's talk about the color. Super cute. Pretty well assembled. This is your foot basin right here, and you can see right in here, those two pink strips, those are your jets. That's where all the bubbles are gonna come from. Here is your cord. Let's open up the foot pads. These are flexible rubber foot pads that are gonna fit right over top of your jets to allow the bubbles to come through, so you can put those down just like that. Now, you operate this by having the button facing out, so I would definitely be getting in here just like this. I put these little foot pads in just like this and get it set up and ready. So now I have a place to put my feet. I can put my water, my Epsom salts in here. Now, as far as operating, you just have to press this button right here to turn it on, and then press the button right there to turn it off. And you've also got this really nice little grippy platform that you can rest your feet on when you don't have them in the water. So you can choose whether or not you use hot or cold water with this. It doesn't matter. You can choose either one. I myself prefer something that's a little bit warmer, but there is no external heater in here. So once you put it in here, the only thing the power is going to do is provide the bubbles to massage your feet. Now you get 3 attachments with this awesome little foot pedicure spa, and I'm going to tell you what each one of them is. This one here is an arch massager. So if you put it on here like this, you can use this to put some pressure on the arches of your feet, and that's what this is going to do. Now this one here is a soft touch massager, so you can put it on and use this to kind of like go all over. And then if you prefer something a little bit softer, there's these little nubs right here, and you can move that one out and use your feet on top of this to kind of just softly, nubbly massage your feet. It's pretty awesome. The other cool thing about the design of this, of course, is that it's toe operated. So it isn't a little tiny finicky button that you need to use your hands with. You can actually use your toe to push it on and then to push it off. The other thing that's great about this is it has a really long cord. The cord is nice and long, so you aren't going to be stuck really close to something. You can actually move to a comfortable chair and get your feet down. I always put a towel underneath to help keep the floor dry, because you know there's going to be some drips. But this is just the ultimate in luxury. If you're looking for an awesome gift for someone, or you just want to give yourself the gift of a beautiful foot massage experience with nice massaging bubbles and these adaptable interchangeable massage buttons, this one here by Conair is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.